Hey, what's going on? It's Bill Burr, and it's time for the Thursday afternoon, just before Friday, Monday morning podcast. And I'm just checking in on you. Sorry, I'm just checking in on you, just seeing how your week's going. A little half-hour checking in. How you doing? Are you doing okay? Fan-fucking-tastic. You know what's funny? I'm always a day late and a dollar short to shit. So I fucking got a YouTube page now. We're doing all this animation. I'm fucking hiring people to do stuff, try to get this fucking thing going. So someday I won't even have to leave my house. All I got to do is just sit here rambling about crazy shit as I slip into fucking senility, and I'll still be able to eat my applesauce. I'll still be able to pay for some fucking applesauce. All right? That is what old age is all about, okay? You don't leave your house, but checks are still coming in, okay? You got a cupboard full of fucking applesauce. Once you open them, you put them in the fridge, you know, even though it hurts your teeth. Ow! Right? Because you got a fucking nerve involvement in all your fucking... all your teeth, right? You go back to eating the same shit you used to eat as a baby. It's like applesauce is Gerber food for fucking old people, right? So you got that. What else do you have? You mix a little mayonnaise in there. Anything you don't have to fucking chew. So I'm getting the YouTube page going. And then you know what these fucking cunts at YouTube do now? I can't even tell you. They got this thing where they decide if what the fuck happened on your thing is a little too offensive. Like they fucking decide, and then you don't get any of the ad money. And I'm like, but the ad's still there. Who gets the money? YouTube keeps it. Fucking unbelievable. I'll tell you right fucking now. The number one commandment broken, I'm telling you, it's stealing. And there's more stealing that goes on the legal side of business. Everybody's always making, fucking Scorsese, he's always doing the, you know, if I could fuck you forever, whatever that fucking song is. I could go from rags to riches. That's what the hell it is, right? All that Goodfellas shit. Fuck you, pay me. Fuck you, pay me. All of that. Like that doesn't exist in the legal world. It's even fucking worse, and it's more overt. That is just straight up fucking stealing. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the YouTube page. I'm actually thinking, why don't I just move it to my fucking website, right? I'll reach out to fucking Miller High Life. You want to fucking just be on all my videos, and I'll just do it on my page, and I can say whatever the fuck I want and not worry about somebody taking my fucking retirement applesauce money. It's not like I'm making any fucking money anyways. You got to have like 1 billion hits, I think, to make $7. Well, you know, you got to curate. As they're talking to you, you hear like a cash machine going off in the fucking background. Whatever. Who gives a shit? All right. You know what? I am actually in a great mood here. I am in a great mood. And despite that highway robbery, YouTube, you should call it your tube. It's your fucking bullshit. You're keeping all the fucking money, you cunts. Who gives a shit, right? At the end of the fucking day. Well, obviously you do, Bill, or you wouldn't have brought it up. I don't fucking mind. Just fuck me over. Why can't you just fuck me over? Why can't you just come out and just say, listen, we're going to fuck you over? Why do you got to lie? Why do you got to sit there and act like you're not going to do it, and then you turn around and you do it? That's what upsets me. It's not that you're doing it. It's that you said you weren't going to do it.